Hey, style icons! Got an old jacket that's feeling a little boring? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution. I am talking bold patches, fun pins, and unique embroidery that'll totally transform your denim or bomber jacket into a trendy masterpiece. It's all about adding your personality and making your wardrobe pop. Ready to bring your jacket back to life? First up, let's go big and bold with the statement back patch. Grab a large statement patch. It could be your favorite band logo, a cool design, or even a custom piece. Place it on the back of your jacket and use either fabric glue or sew it on securely. Boom! Your jacket is now a walking canvas of awesomeness. Watch out, street style photographers. For a playful vibe, let's create a collage of mini patches. Scatter smaller patches all over the jacket. Think sleeves, shoulders, and pockets. I like to mix themes for a quirky, one-of-a-kind look. To do that, use a mix of iron-on or sew-on patches for extra dimension. It's like a sticker book for your clothes, but cooler. Pins and badges are where it's at for some extra flair. Choose funky pins and badges. Vintage finds or fun sayings are always a hit. Pin them on the collar, chest, or even the cuffs for a pop of personality. Here's my tip. Move them around whenever you want a new vibe. They're like accessories for your jacket. Want to get crafty? Add embroidered designs. Use embroidery thread to stitch cute patterns, stars, flowers, or even your initials. Not a pro? Try iron-on embroidery patches for that handmade look without the effort. This adds such a sweet, personal touch. Bonus, it's a great convo starter. Who needs a new jacket when you can DIY your way to perfection? Don't forget to share your creations and tag me so I can hype up your unique style. Until next time, stay stylish, stay creative, and keep rocking that patchwork perfection. Bye, lovelies.